Welcome to e-lesson on the effect of electricity, electromagnetic radiation in human body, different types of diagnostic medical equipments. So upon the completion of this topic, the student will be able to explain the effect of electricity, electromagnetic radiation in human body, different types of diagnostic medical equipments. Effect of radiation exposure. In case of human body, the damage is caused by the nuclear or ionizing radiation depends on the dose and the rate at which it is being observed. It also depends on the part of the body which is exposed to the radiation. When the radiation photon energy is lying between 20 and 40 kilo electron volts, bone absorbs maximum energy for given exposure. But the muscle shows the constant amount of absorption irrespective of radiation photon energies. The damage is caused to the cells or pathological and genetical. The effects of ionizing radiation on human beings with respect to different amount of dose. Any amount of radiation, whether it is below or above the permissible level, it always produces a biological damage. Physiological effects due to the 50 Hz current passes. And understanding the electrical shock is important to everyone working with and around the electrical equipment. Patients and hospital equipment users are especially susceptible to shock because they must make physical contact with hardware. The physiological effects of the shock range from the discomfort to the injury to death if the heart or respiratory system is affected. Electrical shock is an unwanted or unnecessary physiological response to the current. Electrical shock may cause an unwanted cellular depolarization and its associated muscular contraction. It may cause cell vaporization and tissue injury. The effect of commercial frequency currents on human body should be considered. This assists in establishing allowable leakage currents for electrical appliances and electrical hand tools. Most to the feet or to the opposite upper limb. At commercial frequencies, the body acts as a volume conductor. Let go current is the minimum current to produce muscular contraction. For men is about 16 milliamps. For the woman is about 10.5 milliamps. Between the 50 Hz to 200 Hz, the value let go current is low. About 200 Hz, the let go current is directly proportional to logarithmic of frequency. It also depends on weight and time of passage of current through the body. The magnitude of let go current varies inversely with the weight and the square root of the current passes time in the case of adults. The currents above 5 milliamps should be considered hazardous. The currents above 20 milliamps passing through a vital organ can be fatal. The electrical effects are called macro shocks because They are distributed over a large area. The threshold lists are for the current duration greater than 1 second. If the shock duration is reduced to 0.1 second, fibrillation threshold increases 10 times. This fact is used to design the circuit interrupts to prevent injuries due to shock. Effect of 50 Hz AC electrical shock on human body. So the threshold operation, it is having a 500 microamps, 1 milliamp range, accepted safe level 5 milliamps. Maximum let go current is between the 10 milliamps. Above that, injury will be caused. That is dangerous of ventricular fibrillation 1 amps. 10 amps sustained myocardial contraction. The dangerous respiratory paralysis occur, severe burns and physical injury. Summary. We have discussed about the effect of electricity, electromagnetic radiation in human body. Phase. Let's go current for men is about A 16 milliamps, B 10 milliamps, C 5 milliamps, D is 1 milliamp. The answer is A is correct, 16 milliamps. Second question, let go current for women is about 16 milliamps, B 10.5 milliamps, C 5 milliamps, D 1 milliamp. The answer is B is correct, 10.5 milliamps. Frequently asked questions in the examination. Explain the effect of electricity, electromagnetic radiation in human body. Explain the effect of electromagnetic radiation in human body. Explain about let's go current. Diagnostic medical instruments are one is ECG, that is electrocardiogram, EEG, electroencephalography, EMG, electromyography. These are the list of the diagnostic medical instruments. ECG. So this is a picture of the ECG waveform where the patient is lying on the bed. The ECG machine, portable machine placed on the table. The electrodes which are connected on the chest, whereas V1, V2, V3, V4, V5 that are connected to the ECG machine, which pick up the ionic currents which are generated from the cardio system from the heart. The potential generated from the heart are picked up by using a ECG machine. The electrodes which converts these ionic potentials into the electrical signals. The waveform which is printed on the paper which record the electrocardiogram, ECG. Electrocardiogram, the study of electrical activity of the muscles. The potential originated in the individual fibers of heart muscles are added to produce the ECG waveform. ECG is recorded ECG wave pattern. EEG, electroencephalography, so which is picked up by brain waves monitored the electrodes placed on the skull, on the surface of the skull, in order to pick up the electroencephalography. The brain waves are monitored by using this EEG. Electroencephalography, the recording and study of electrical activity of the brain. Electrodes are attached to the skull of a patient. The brain waves can be picked up and recorded. The summation of neural depolarization in the brain is EEG. The picture, the slide shows EMG machine, the electrodes which are connected, electromyography, recording and interpreting the electrical activity of the muscle action potentials. The recording of the peripheral nerves action potentials is called EMG. The EMG indicates the amount of activity of a given muscle or a group of muscles, but not an individual nerve fiber. Summary: we have discussed about ECG, EEG, electroencephalography, EMG, electromyography. Quiz. One is the loudspeaker is also used in the recorder of EMG, ECG, EOG, EEG. To obtain a good contact between the electrode and skin, the gap is filled with electrode paste containing electrolyte, wax, glycerin, iodine. To obtain a good contact between the electrode and skin, gap is filled with an electrode paste containing electrolytes. The answer is A is correct. The frequently asked questions in the examination are: one is briefly mention the uses of ECG. Second one, write a note on EEG and EMG. Next topic: on completion of the period, you would be able to know about blood pressure, events in heart related to blood pressure, the cardiovascular system. Heart and its chambers. Heart contains 4 chambers. One is the left atrium, left ventricular, that is the left heart. Right atrium, right ventriculars is called right heart. So heart contains 4 chambers, 2 atriums, 2 ventriculars. The left atrium, left ventricles is the left heart. Right atrium and right ventricles called right heart. Heart and its chambers shows here. The heart contains 4 chambers, 2 atriums. Upper chambers are called atriums. Lower chambers are called ventriculars. The SA node shown here, which generates pulses in order to run the heart. So it is a natural SA node which is a natural pacemaker which generates the electrical pulses. The electrical pulses carried towards the AV node, atrioventricular node. From there it goes to Purkinje networks to the ventriculars. So this is the function of the heart. So right atrium, which receive the impurity of blood from all the parts into the right atrium. The blood goes to the right ventricular. From there it goes to the pulmonary system. After purification of the blood in the pulmonary system, it comes to the left atrium. From the left atrium it goes to left ventricular. The left ventricular contraction causes the blood, the purified blood will pumping to all the parts of the body through the aorta. Blood, pure blood flows from the left atrium and left ventriculus to the body parts. Impure blood flows from body parts to the right atrium and right ventriculus. The figure shows aort, right side aort, so superior vena cava, right pulmonary artery, right pulmonary veins, right atrium, right ventriculus, inferior vena cava, left side heart, left pulmonary artery, left pulmonary veins, left atrium, left ventriculus, coronary artery. Cardiac conduction system, right atrium, then it goes to atrioventricular node, AV node, sinoatrial node. It is a natural pacemaker which generate the electrical pulses. The electrical pulses carry towards the AV node. From there through the Purkinje fibers, Purkinje branches, it goes to the ventriculars will be fibrillated. So here the blood circulation shown here. Carbon dioxide leaves in the lungs. Oxygen enters the lungs, pulmonary veins. The blood after purification, it is the purified blood will comes to the left atrium. Then it is pumping to left ventriculars. After that, it is pumping to the aorta. The aorta will supply the blood to the all the parts of the body. The red blood cells shown in the figure. So the impurity blood will be collected through the vena cava, right atrium, right ventriculus, right side heart. Then the impurity blood is pumping into the pulmonary arteries, where carbon dioxide leaves in the lungs and oxygen enter in the lungs. The purification of blood is happen in the respiratory system of the in the lungs. The blood circulation, the circle you can see here. Left atrium, from the purified blood from the lungs, it is entering into the left atrium, then left ventriculars, then various organs except lungs. From the various organs, the body's impurity of blood is collected from all the organs, then it is entering the right atrium, then it is pumping to the right ventriculars. The contraction of the right ventriculus causes the impurity blood enter into the lungs, where the carbon dioxide leaves and oxygen is enter. That causes the purification of the blood is happen in the lungs. It is be collected to the left atrium. This is the blood circulation in the heart and pulmonary system. Cardiovascular circuit you can show in the slide. Oxygen is rich and carbon dioxide poor blood enter into the left atrium, left ventricles to the all the parts of the body. From all the parts of the body, it is collected back to the right atrium, and the right ventricles is pumping to the oxygen poor and carbon rich blood is pumping into the lungs, the pulmonary circuit, where carbon dioxide leave in the pulmonary circuit, pulmonary system, and oxygen enters. This is the cardiovascular system of the circuit. Blood pressure. Blood pressure is the measurement of force applied to the artery walls. Artery walls. It is a blood force for unit area on the walls of the blood vessel. The potential BP blood pressure acting through the resistance of the arterial vascular paths. It is good indicator of cardiovascular system status. Provide warnings of high BP to provide treatment. Events in heart related to BP. Heart contracts and ejects the blood. Ejection of blood flow from left ventricles increase the pressure through the blood vessel. It is called systolic pressure. During the systole, heart contracts and eject the blood. Ejection of blood flow from left ventricles to increase the pressure through the blood vessels. It is called systolic pressure. The second part of the heart pushes the blood out of the heart. Here it's shown when impurity of blood is entering to the right atrium to the right ventricles, then it is pushing to the pulmonary artery. From the pulmonary artery, the purified blood is entering the pulmonary vein to the left ventricles to the left atrium through the mitral opening of the mitral valve. Then the purified blood from the ventricles it is goes to the aorta, and then from the aorta it is pumping to all the parts of the body. So the 4 valves and 4 chambers are shown here. Right atrium, left atrium, and right ventricular and left ventricles, pulmonary wall, and tricuspid wall, and aortic wall, and mitral wall, and corresponding aorta, all are shown here. During the diastole, the first part of the beat pushes the blood from atria, the small chambers on the top, to the ventricles, the larger chambers on the bottom. During the diastole, heart relaxes and collects the blood. Aortic valve closed by the back pressure of blood vessels seen as a dichrotic notch. Arterial pressure decreases as blood pours into the countless peripheral vascular networks. It is called diastolic pressure. Arterial pressure decreases as the blood pours into countless peripheral vascular networks. It is called diastolic pressure. Blood pressure variations are shown in the graph during the diastolic and systolic. The ECG waveform PQRS. Direction of blood flow in the heart. Heart arrows indicate the direction of blood flow. From aorta, it is entering into the right atrium, then right atrium into the right ventriculars, from their pulmonary system. From the pulmonary system, then the purified blood is back onto the left atrium. From their left ventriculars, then goes to the aorta. Then from aorta, the blood is pumping to all the parts of the body. During the systole, the arrow mark shows the pumping of the blood directions. Atrium, relax. Ventriculars, contraction. Blood ejects. So during the systole, atrium relax and ventricular contraction, blood ejects. Heart pumping animation we can see in the animation slide. The heart is functioning. The impurity blood from head and arms, from the trunk and legs, the blood is collected from all the parts, from the all the parts. It is entering into the right atrium, then entering into the right ventriculars. Then the impurity blood is pumping to the lungs, where carbon dioxide leaves in the lung. The blood is purified with oxygen. The rich oxygen blood is collected to the left atrium, then entering into the left ventriculars. The left ventricular again pump the blood into the aorta. From their aorta, it is the rich oxygen blood is pumping to all the parts of the body. Diastole. During the diastole, ventricles are relaxed, auriculars contract, blood fills. Pressure in vascular system, circulation. During the systolic, 120 mm of mercury. During the diastolic, it is 80 mm of mercury. The minimum systolic is 40, diastolic is 0. So the arteries, articles and capillaries, veins veins. The movement of blood in arteries as shown in the slide. The systolic blood pressure, arteries expansion. During the diastolic, the contraction of the blood vessels. The movement of blood in and out of the arteries. During the systole, less blood leaves artery than enters. During the diastole, retained blood is driven out of arteries. Expansion, contraction. Healthy heart maintains systole at 120 mm of mercury, diastole at 80 mm of mercury. Diseased heart, ventricle contractility, rigid arteries produce unwanted rises in blood pressure. Summary: the function of the heart related to the blood pressure, typical values of cardiovascular system. The quiz: normal range of BP 120 by 80 mm of mercury. The correct answer is B. A is 100 by 70, B is 120 by 80 mm of mercury, 140 by 100 mm C, D is 80 by 120 mm of mercury. So the correct answer is B, 120 by 80 mm mercury. The question from the previous papers: draw and explain the function of the heart in related to blood pressure. Next topic. Upon completion of the topic, the student is able to know, explain the electrical activity of heart. The figure 1 shows electrical activity of heart. So it contains 4 chambers, and first upper chambers are called atriums, lower chambers are called ventriculars. On upper right atrium there is a SA node. The SA node which generates electrical pulses naturally. So it is a natural pacemaker. Then the pulses, generation of pulses will travel towards the AV from SA node to the AV node, atrioventricular node. From there, through the Purkinje networks, Purkinje bundles, it is travel to the ventriculars. The fibrillation of the ventriculars will be happen. The ECG waveform shows P wave, Q wave, R wave, S wave. The P wave, PQ interval contraction due to the auricular system. The PQ interval, the Q wave, QRS complex, QRS complex duration, S wave, ST interval, intermediate interval, T wave, U wave, that is the TP interval, the P wave again. This is the PQRS T wave. This is the ECG waveform. The potential generated in the heart, conduction system of the heart, SA node, which generates electrical pulses naturally. It travels towards the AV node through the intermodal fiber. Then bundle of branches. It is goes to the Purkinje fibers. The PQRS TUV waveform, which gives the conduction system of the heart. The structure and function of the normal heart and blood vessels. Sinoatrial node and vessels and aorta. Atrioventricular node. Right bundles branch. Bundle of His. Main left bundle branch. Anterior fascicle of left bundle branch. Purkinje fibers. Posterior fascicle of left bundle branch. Electrocardiogram. The electrical activity associated with the function of the heart is known as electrocardiogram. ECG is a quasi-periodical waveform. The waveform thus recorded have been standardized in terms of amplitude and phase relationship. Any deviation from this would be reflect the presence of an abnormality. This general signal can be described by means of a simple electric dipole pole consisting of positive and negative pair. The PR and PQ interval measured from the beginning of the dipole generates a field vector changing nearly periodically in time and the space, and its effects are measured on the surface. The PR and PQ interval measured from the beginning of the P wave to the onset of the R and Q wave respectively, which makes the time which an impulse leaving the SA node takes to reach the ventriculars. The PR interval normally lies between 0.12 to 0.2 seconds. The QRS interval, which represents the time the heart impulse travels first through an interventricular system and then through the free walls of the ventriculars, normally varies from 0.05 to 0.10 seconds. The T wave represents the repolarization of both the ventriculars. The QT intervals, therefore, is the period for one complete ventricular contraction, that is a systole. The ventricular diastole starting from the end of the T wave extends to the beginning of the next Q wave. The typical amplitude of the QRS is 1 millivolt. The QRS is 1 milli, amplitude is 1 millivolts per normal when recorded in lead 1 position. The P wave atrial excitation. The graph shows P wave due to the atrial excitation. P wave completion of atrial excitation. PR interval impulse delay in AV junction. The PR interval impulse delay in AV junction. The QRS complex electrical excited the ventriculars. P wave ventricular repolarization. Summary: we have discussed about the electrical activity of heart and the significance of ECG waveform. Quiz: the electrical activity associated with the functioning of the heart is electroencephalogram, B. electromyogram, C. electrocardiogram, D. electroocculogram. The answer is electrocardiogram. The answer is C is correct answer. For normal human, the amplitude of QRS is 1 millivolts, B. 2 millivolts, C. 3 millivolts, D. 4 millivolts. The answer is 1 millivolts. Answer A is correct one. Third one, the PR interval lies between 0.1 to 0.2 seconds, B. 0.15 to 0.18 seconds, C. 0.10 to 0.15 seconds, D. 0.11 to 0.20 seconds. Answer is A. The PR intervals lies between the 0.12 to 0.2 seconds. The frequently asked questions in the examination: electrical activity of R2 with waveforms. Explain the significance of ECG waveform. Thank you.